Happy Saturday, everyone. It's Brandon again. I pray and hope that you're all having a wonderful day, that your day is filled with nothing but peace, prosperity, and positivity, and most importantly, you're all in great health. As mentioned before, every Saturday I will do my very best to do an end of the week recap. The purpose of these recaps is to allow you to have a better understanding of what's taking place here and now in the future. Because if you have an understanding of what's taking place in the future, in terms of what's going on in our current economy, you will be able to make better financial decisions and set yourselves up for greatness financially in the future. In today's recap, I will be discussing Bitcoin, how it got accepted as a legal tender, what made it crash, and also sectors in which you will see growth. I will also be talking about unemployment and what it's doing to combat this situation. All I ask is this. If you're stopping by to this channel for the first time, please leave a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Now, first and foremost, Bitcoin. What a wild week in the cryptocurrency space. My goodness. This past week, El Salvador accepted Bitcoin as its legal tender. Now, this seems like great news, and we're expecting an incredible run-up. But why did Bitcoin have a flash crash? Now, a flash crash means that the coin itself, the currency, dropped by almost over 11% in a matter of minutes. This had everybody panicking and new investors were selling like crazy. Yahoo reported that the reason why this flash crash happened was because the digital wallet was not working correctly and was not receptive to the downloads in El Salvador. Now, I asked myself this question: how could a country, with such a low GDP crash a multi-trillion-dollar asset? Active Insider stated that the reason for the crash was whales were selling their positions. And because whales were selling their positions, this caused a significant decrease in the price of Bitcoin. Now, they're also speculating the reason why they would do such a thing is because there's going to be more positive news coming out about Bitcoin, which is going to make it skyrocket. So they're trying to sell off at a high so that they can buy back in low and enjoy the ride on the way up. This is speculation and what is taking place in Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency space. Now, with all this uncertainty, fear, and doubt that is taking place, why would there be a positive outlook? As mentioned before, there might be a run-up. So stocks that I'm personally involved in or I'm personally going to invest in, and this is not financial advice, invest at your own risk, are companies by the name of Riot and Mara. I believe that these companies are going to be running up significantly over the course of several months. Also, Riot just offered a shelf registration, making more shares accessible to buy. So if a big institution buys in to Riot, just like what happened about several weeks ago when Fidelity bought a 7% stake in Mara, it causes the stock itself to skyrocket. This is something that can potentially happen with Riot. In other news, September 5th marked the end of the federal unemployment as we know it, leaving over 3.5 million people without governmental supplementation. This is very, very tough for a lot of Americans. What is being done for this? Now, states are putting together their own stimulus package in which they can send out stimulus checks to help those overcome certain situations who are not getting the governmental supplementation needed to help them throughout the pandemic. So this is what's taking place here and now in our current economy. What a wild ride it's been this week. So as you can see, we talked about the cryptocurrency space, Bitcoin specifically, it becoming a legal tender. Why did it crash? Sectors in which we will see growth, and the entire news around unemployment. So guys, thank you for your time today. Thank you for stopping by. And remember to smash that like button, share this content, and subscribe. Take care and be blessed.